Saw downward budget pressure in certain segments. I mean, school districts in the United States have taken their budgets down, but we've seen that offset by rises in healthcare. So we have to see where the money is moving. But I wouldn't say the contracting has changed. I will say what happens. You go through cycles in this industry when people are in the grow years. They tend to all be about speed of implementation, getting a project done as fast as possible because they're growing, they're flush with cash, they're trying to achieve their mission. In the down cycle, which I've been at Dell long enough to experience several, there is a huge priority put around productivity, helping people save money by finding the inefficiencies and the redundancies in IT. So when they cut their budget, they're not cutting the muscle, they're cutting the fat. In a nutshell, right? I have one of my favorite quotes was one that a local government official told us last year when he said, "It's a shame to waste a good crisis." And what he meant was he'd been pushing for a long time for some changes in how people ran IT. Typically, these get into governance fights, right? Let's not have all of these little departments deciding how to do IT. Because it's technically possible to have an IT shop for 50 people here and 100 people there, but it's not wise. Let's use the crisis and the budget crunch to say, you know what, if you consolidated data centers and had 3 for this county instead of 1, or if you were to reduce your number of applications that are redundant and all trying to do the same thing and just had 1, and you had a service arrangement where you were servicing all of these devices and all of these users under one umbrella, you get economies of scale. These are not rocket science, these strategies, but people get stuck for governance reasons. And in the down cycle, when we can advise people and say, you know what, I can help you do a 10% cut in your budget and have your service level to your users stay the same or get better, that's what they want.